So the first function we'll look at here is the print function. Now this is probably the first thing you learn when you learn Python, and it seems super basic. We can print out a few different things, we can separate them by commas, and you can see that we can print a mix of strings and variables, and when we do that, they'll get printed out separated by a space. But what you probably didn't know is that we can pass additional arguments to the print function that modify how it works. For example, I can pass this sep argument here. So sep is equal to, and I'll go with something like a pipe. And now what will happen is rather than using a space as the delimiter, or what goes in between the different arguments we pass to the print function, we'll use this pipe. So when I run the code now, you see we get my name is, and then pipe Tim, pipe, and I am pipe 23, pipe years old. So we can override that default behavior, which is to use a space to separate all the different things we're printing. And in this case, we use a pipe. Now, maybe instead we want to use a comma. So let's go back here and change that to a comma and print this out. And now you can see that we're printing things with a comma. This is quite useful, especially when you want to print out things that have a certain formatting and you don't want to do the manual formatting yourself.